సుప్రీం కోర్టు ప్రధాన న్యాయమూర్తి జస్టిస్ గవై మాట్లాడుతున్నారు. ఇప్పుడు లైవ్ చూద్దాం.
They teach you to think, but more importantly, they teach you to feel and to remain humble. As Hisham Martyr writes in his recent book, My Friends, and I quote, "We ask for writers what we ask of our closest friends, to help us mediate and to interpret the world." Like Montaigne, you believe that the very presence of books in your room cultivates you, that books are not only to be read, but to be lived with. You have an example of one of the greatest sons of this country, Dr. B.R. Ambedkar, whose love for books is known worldwide. Health deserves your conscious attention. Make active choices. Read about it. Speak to professionals. Take it seriously. As Dr. Rajiv Mehta, a senior psychologist based in Delhi, notes in his book, Rewrite, Rework, Reclaim, How to Manage Stress. And I quote, "The idea of regular medical checkup has still not become a routine part of our daily lives. We often go to the doctor only when a problem crops up, which leads to unpleasant consequences at times." Unquote. Prevention is not a luxury. It is a responsibility to yourself and those who care for you. To those quiet, introverted or anxious, I see you. The legal profession often feels loud, but strength is not measured in distance. It lies in clarity, in insight, in depth. As Susan Cain reminds us in a book titled Quiet, and I quote, "Spend your free time the way you like, not the way you think you are supposed to." There is no single mold for what a lawyer should be. Make room for your own rhythm. There is enough space in this profession for many ways of being. There is also a room for imagination in law. It's not a dry craft. It is a living, evolving space of ideas, emotions, and hope. Sigmund Freud, in his book, The Interpretation of Dreams, once observed, and I quote, "Unexpressed emotions will never die. They are buried." Unquote. So don't let them consume you. Use the law as a canvas to express, to heal. And when it all feels too heavy, the deadlines, the decisions and the expectations, remember what John Gray wrote in an interesting book titled Feline Philosophy, and I quote, "Whereas cats live by following their nature, humans live by suppressing theirs." Unquote. So it's okay to take a pause in life. Sometimes it's okay to be uncertain. You don't always have to